about to be good. Ooh, girl, this about to be a good little chit chat. Okay, so hey, what's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel, you guys. Thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, subscribe. Okay, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell because we love it over here. If you're a returning subscriber or returning viewer, hello, welcome, girl. Take a seat, have a seat, grab your popcorn because I'm back with the Chit Chat Get Ready With Me video. It's gonna be really chill. I do my everyday regular schmegular makeup. This is a realistic get ready with me, aka playlist, girl talk, ups and downs with trying to get a look together. So, dang, I should have put on an outfit. I really don't even know what I'm wearing still, but let me quit rambling because we gotta get into the tea, baby. Don't forget to subscribe again, and yeah, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. Bye, guys. All right, so I started filming. However, I don't know what happened to the audio. Like, it just will not play any audio. So hello, you guys. Here I am giving you guys some audio. My armpits were super hairy, so I had to just shave them things real quick before I started filming because no thank you. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, let's talk it up in the comments. And yeah, let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Okay, so yeah, whenever I just say, you know, I have, like today, I'll be like, you know what, tomorrow I want to film, I want to make this much money, I want to make sure I, you know, get this done, this done, and this done. I can have a to-do list like that and get like nothing done versus me being very intentional with my to-do list, like saying, wake up at 7:30 and journal, 8 o'clock, take a shower, 8:15, start getting ready to film, take a 1 hour break here, eat here. But I found that when you actually give yourself time blocks, it's so much easier to cut out distractions because you're like, nope, this is my time to be doing this. So that's my little update with that. I feel like I struggle a lot with my content just because I will film or I'll see videos and I'll get like video ideas. I'm like, ooh, I want to do a story time about this, or I want to do this or whatever. And I just realized it doesn't work for me once I actually get my stuff going. So I keep saying this, I really just want to put out some good content. And I want people to like walk away or leave my videos feeling that they gained something from watching. In any kind of way, whether they gained inspiration, whether they've gained motivation, whether they've gained knowledge. So I just hope that I'm leaving that impression on you guys, whoever's picking up the vibes. Hello, what's good? Wasted times, I slept with someone else. You want to take out the now you got this time. Now you got no business, catch your feelings. These girls only want you when you're in there. Oh wow. Oh. That song does something to you, girl. See, this is why I can't film while, because I be trying to give y'all a whole show. I be trying to give y'all a whole concert. I almost cried, y'all. This song right here, I almost cried in the car because me and my friend, we always be turned driving home after going out to eat or having a good time or whatever, and we always play some good music, and I was like, girl, play this song, and I was just feeling this song because I'm like, I'm the baddest. I felt like Trina. I was like, I'm the baddest. I gotta give y'all a little. Y'all, don't mind me. It's raining, okay? And I always like listening to songs like that. I just love sad music, okay? So.
I just don't know where did all your feelings go. I need you here, my say.
toxic love. Like, I loved that toxic love. Like, can you blame me? Oh, I was feeling it. What do y'all want to hear next? What do we want to hear next?
Okay, this is no case, no go. Post me back every time like a yellow. Gas in the mellow. I'ma stay low. Can't let a whole play me like a cello. Yeah, no play.
Oh my gosh. I think I have the perfect story time. I know it took forever, but let's talk about it. Ooh, this about to be good. Ooh, girl, this about to be a good little chit chat. Okay, so how do y'all feel about involving money in a relationship? Let's talk about it. Like, how would you feel? Because it's a lot of different scenarios, like a lot of different ways you could go about this. Like, let's say you kind of just meeting a guy and dating or whatever. If you're in like the dating, talking stage of a guy, you're kind of feeling him, you know? And let's say he asks you to borrow some money. How y'all feel? What we doing, ladies? What we doing? Whether it be $20, $100, it don't matter. If he asks you to borrow any dollar amount of money, nothing crazy, like nothing crazy. Let's say he asks you for between $20 to $100, anywhere between $20 to $100. What are we doing in that scenario? It's been in multiple situations where guys have asked me for money and I don't understand. Guys would rather ask a female for some money instead of asking like their parents or their homeboys. Like, why would a female be the first person you ask for money? Like, that I just didn't understand that. Like, you want me to know you're broke? That wasn't not like that. Like, I get it, but you know, my pride just won't do it. I'll thug it out, I'll figure out. And if I gotta ask somebody for it, then I probably don't need it that bad, because I won't be in that down of a situation where something would depend on somebody else, and somebody else, a female at that. Like, I'd be damned to be to my last, like, I just feel bad saying like, no, I don't got it. People are like, bitch, yes you do got it. Like, what am I supposed to say, y'all? What are you supposed to say when you don't want to give somebody some money just because you almost feel like they're using you, but you don't want to be rude and you don't want to be like a bitch about it, you know what I'm saying? Like, how would y'all handle a situation where a guy who you're dealing with asks you for money? Because that's tough. Like, you know, I don't know, dudes be in their feelings for no reason. And I mean, nothing is wrong to ask for some help, but don't let me be the first person you asking. Like, you got all your brothers, your homeboys, your cousins, your whatever you got. Like, why am I the first? That's all. Okay, that's better. I don't know where I left off because I just did the most, but if I didn't tell you guys, one of the things I have on my agenda today, which is also the main reason why I'm putting on makeup, is because I'm supposed to be going out to eat again with my homegirls. Feeling Feathers is my new spot. So I'm about to call Alyssa and see what's tea. Alyssa, I'm gonna beat her ass. I just called her. But what are you wearing?
You just called her.
I just tried to call her.
Oh, she tagged in the chat.
I know. She's calling me back on my iPad. Let me see.
Alyssa gave me a heads up that y'all were getting cute this time, so I'm putting cute. Let's be clear. You know, bitch played me last time. Well, you definitely played me. So, Joanne.
Girl, no. You seen me in a hat before?
I don't think so.
Alright guys, so this sums it up for this chit chat, get ready with me, talk on the phone, playlist. This is like an actual real life get ready with me. Like this is kind of what I do. I just, you know. I hope you guys enjoyed today's look. It turned out really cute. I'm feeling this. Don't forget hair from our main hair collection. Bundle starting at $56. $56, so come get you some. It's so freaking soft and so pretty. I think I'm gonna do another hair video soon on my channel, just let me know. It's gonna be with this hair, so I don't know how I'm gonna style it, but I'm gonna probably just do a dedicating styling video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.